Hello, folks. This is Matthew Wilgenman here. Hello, everyone. This is Wilgeman here, and or Matthew. This is my initial stream, so bear with me as I try to figure this this all out. Yeah. So this is my first episode live streaming. I just want to show I'm cleaning up my windows here. Let me see. Um, and I'm also testing out all out. And oops, excuse me. I am testing this in other platforms now. All right. Hold on a moment here. All right. So I'm live on Facebook, I'm live on Twitch, and I'm live on let's see, I'm also live on Rumble. So I'm trying four different platforms from Linux. I'm using FFmpeg to do this, so it's a little crazy. Uh, I created a simple script that uses FFmpeg to. I learned it from OBS Studios, Streamlabs, and I kind of spliced it together. So bear with me here as I try to figure this out and try to get this to work. So anyway, this is also my initial Luminade Studios stream too, because I'm trying to build content, and let's see. So first of all, I want to start with a prayer and a small Bible lesson. I wanted to just go and make this proper. I kind of got into this with my seeds of the sower, but let me start off with that. Hold on a moment. Already, just checking my chats and stuff like that. And yeah, okay. So I have one browser just just in case someone is jumping in my chat or something like that. So okay. Wonderful Lord, you are awesome and amazing, God. Thank you for this blessed day. Thank you for this chance to be online. You bless me with my day-to-day work, Lord God, and it blesses me with the talents and the technology, Lord, to be able to be before many people. And I pray that this stream and my videos can be a lesson and as I build a game and I share the gospel with others out there, Lord God, may we use these streams to be a light for others in this world, Lord God. And just love you, Jesus, and thank you for this blessed day, Lord. We love you, Lord. Amen. Yeah, so my name is Matthew. Sorry again. This is my first stream and kind of clunky starting off with. I'm not used to, being live. I have my coffee cup here. So I have little Mario here, and this is my little office. I don't have another camera right now. It's just my webcam on my little computer. And yeah, everything's going good. Just got back from vacation, going to Guatemala and going to California. So it's been a wonderful month of summer, but now it's time to gear up with a new, to ramp up my content, make it more live, and be able to get an audience. I'm also do a lot of things besides just trying to develop games. In my day job, I'm a DevOps engineer, and I do a lot of Linux stuff and system engineering and programming, mostly in Python. But my real passion is to be a game designer. So over the last 2 years, I'm also kind of a crypto enthusiast. So, I have been very very busy doing many videos on DTube, which is one of my crypto channels, and YouTube. And I just started Rumble this year, so now Rumble just opened the doors for me to live stream. So this is awesome. I love Rumble. So if I get deplatformed on Facebook or Twitch or any of those other ones, Rumble will, be there too. And yeah, so this is awesome. Actually, I gotta do one little quick thing. I know I should be showing this to you, but I'm going to, how do I share, how do I share my, uh, how do I share a live stream from YouTube? Yeah, this is funny. I know I'm still trying. I'm gonna make my camera a little bigger here. So in OBS Studio, they don't let me see what I like to see myself talk. So I might just talk to myself sometimes. So I'm a little weird. Oh yeah, let me explain this Mario thing. During the pandemic, my family and I had a we had some downtime, pandemic. We were trying to figure out what we were gonna do, and I made a cross quilt with how do you call those? I forgot. Latch key hook or whatever you call those. And there was, I'm sorry, hold on a second. I know I'm so professional, huh? I'm gonna see if I can get this. See if I can. I need to post on YouTube, DTube as well. So I'm posting my live stream. So, yes, this was a cross hook quilt that I made, and I didn't have the hook. I couldn't find those at Hobby Lobby, so I made it with let me see. I have it here. So, excuse me, so professional. Yeah. So I made it with one of my mom's crochet hooks. It was really slow, but if you see on the back, that's what it looks like on the back, and this is on the front. So it took me about 2 weeks to do this. I was really slow. Yeah, so um really really fun. I did it with my son. My son got into stitching, and my wife got into cross hooking and stuff like that. So, and yeah, it was pretty cool. All right, so I gotta put my DTube video up. So sorry about this. So let me show you what I'm doing over here. So this is my DTube channel, and yeah, so professional, huh? So sorry, did a little OBS faux pas, which is click on OBS and make it go the infinite mirror mode like that. So, but see, I have my camera opened in M Player. So this is all in Linux, by the way. And like I said, FFmpeg. I'm gonna put my link in here. So this is DTube, by the way. Let me make my video a little smaller, and I'm gonna drop my video live stream. And next, let's see if this will work. I don't know if this will work with DTube. No, it doesn't look like it. I mean, this is my channel, and I don't know how to get I don't know how to get yeah, it ain't gonna work right now. So that's okay. let me drop this back over here because that's just so I can watch any messages that come along and stuff like that. So yeah, going good. Let's see. So yeah, I crocheted that. It took about 2 or 3 weeks. So anyway, yeah, sorry, I'm all over the map here. Okay, another thing I wanted to do. Hold on, I'm getting a message. Hold on. Alrighty. Sorry, I have my phone here. All right. So another thing I wanted to do that so this is going to be kind of just all over the map right now until I figure out what I'm going to do, but mostly it's going to be a devlog that I'm going to do here. So episode 26, I think it was, that I did Seeds of the Sower, and that was at CGDC last week, and I also was dropping some few hints in my videos that I was going to do a live stream. Well, here it is. I figured out how to get it out to 4 platforms right now. Um, I'm just trying to see what works, you know. So one thing that ramped me up, I've been listening to Crush It from Gary Vaynerchuk, the audiobook, and now I'm listening to Ask Gary V, and both back to back. So there's a lot of relevant information, some things, some not. So, and I have been definitely enjoying that. So it's been what worked. And sorry, I got a lot of. I don't edit anything. I'm live. Actually, this is probably the best platform way for me to talk. But yeah, so I've been listening to that audiobook, and it's been showing me that I need to kind of up my game a little bit more every time. So I'm not like in the same grind, in the same grind, in the same grind. So and even doing the dev videos is good, but I think interacting with live folks, at CGDC, I got some good information on how to, grow an indie game studio. So that's the whole point of this. That's my whole spiel. Is Luminade Studios is my company that I'm building, and I am the sole creator right now, but eventually I would like the help of my family. Right now I got lukewarm support. So that's the thing. I'm doing this because I think it's a calling from the Lord for me to do this, is to make good, clean, godly games. And I may make other games too, but games that are kind of neutral and that don't have a lot of Christian content to it. But right now, Seeds of the Sower is my pride and joy. No, I can't say prideful. I have to be humble here. It's for the Lord, and that project started off from the Global Game Jam. I repeated that many times in my older videos. You can go look at those if you want to, and I started the program in Python and built it up from there. So, but before I go into that, I wanted to. Oh, I don't have my banjo here, so I usually like to do a prayer, which I did already, and I wanted to do a Bible reading. So let me find a good Bible reading right now. Let's see. So yeah, I'm trying to build a good web presence, I guess, market myself, but I also want to do it in a good, clean way. I want to be who I am and stuff like that. So hold on a second. I wanted to find, what's a good word for it? You know, I was doing a series on Rumble before that it was read the Bible from the beginning. Let me see where I was with that. I had, I'm going to open this in a new tab. Hold on a moment. Okay, let's see here. No, not that. I'm gonna go to my content. I'm in my Rumble tab here, sorry. So let me this is my game here. So I'm gonna do cargo run and see if it'll build. Seeds of the Sower. Oh yeah. Let's see. I have my content here. And let's see. Let me go to payments. No. My content. No. It was, oh no, it was Seeds of the Sower episode 27. That's what I did. I also read the Bible here. Let me see. So I read Reading the Bible, Genesis 9. So that was, no, 10, 11. No, I did 11. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to read the Bible, Genesis 13 from the WEB Bible. So let's put it, so let me tear this tab off of here. And let me bring it over to here. So we're going to do the World English Bible. The reason why I do the WEB Bible is because it's also, ooh, that's hard to read. All right, so let's go to Genesis 11. My web is a little slow right now. So let's go to Genesis 11. All right. Was that Genesis 11 or was it 12? No, it was 12. Sorry. Let me go to the next one. I know, so professional, right? All right. So this was let me zoom in a little bit so you can read with me. Now Yahweh said to Abram, leave your country and your relatives and your father's house and go to the land that I will show you. I will make you a great nation. I will bless you and make your name great. You are a blessing, and I will bless those who bless you. And I will curse him who treats you with contempt. All the families of the earth will be blessed through you. So Abram went, as Yahweh had told him. Lot went with him as well. Sorry, forgot. I didn't add that. Abram was 75 years old when he departed from Haran. Abram took Sarai his wife, Lot his brother's son, all their possessions, and all they had gathered, and the people whom they had acquired in Haran, and they went to go into the land of Canaan. They entered into the land of Canaan. Abram passed through the land to the place of Shechem, to the oak of Moreh. At the time, the Canaanites were in the land. Yahweh appeared to Abram and said, I give this land to your offspring. He built an altar there to Yahweh, who had appeared to him. He left from there to go to the mountain on the east of Bethel and pitched his tent, having Bethel on the west and Ai on the east. Nothing to do with ChatGPT. Okay. There he built an altar to Yahweh, and he called on Yahweh's name. Abram traveled, still going on toward the south. And there was a famine in the land, and Abram went down into Egypt to live as a foreigner there, for the famine was severe in the land. And when he had come near to enter Egypt, he said to Sarai his wife, see now that you are a beautiful woman to look at, and it will happen that the Egyptians will see you, and they will say, this is his wife. Pardon me, coffee sip. And they will kill me, but they will save you alive. Please say that you are my sister, that it may be well with me for your sake, and that my soul may live because of you. When Abram came to Egypt, the Egyptians saw that the woman was very beautiful. The princes of Pharaoh saw her and praised her to Pharaoh, and the woman was taken to Pharaoh's house. He dealt well with Abram for her sake. He had sheep, cattle, male donkeys, female servants, female donkeys, and camels. Yahweh afflicted Pharaoh and his house with great plagues because of Sarai, Abram's wife. Pharaoh called Abram and said, what is this that you have done to me? Why didn't you tell me that she was your wife? Why did you say she is my sister, so that I took her to be my wife? Now, therefore, see your wife, take her, and go your way. Pharaoh commanded men concerning him, and they escorted him away with his wife and all that he had. Wow, I wish it was that easy for Moses and his generation, because wow, the Pharaoh was really afraid of Abram and Sarai at that time. That's pretty interesting. So, this seems like a common theme in the old in Genesis, like especially the Egyptians, Abimelech. They kind of want that the godly woman. You know, so yeah, so God was really looking after Abram and Sarai, and it was pretty cool. So awesome. That was a great reading. And so let's move on to I'm going to drop this over here. All right. So here in my code, let's see. I haven't hold on. My phone is beeping here. So uh sorry, I just got a message. Okay. So yeah, nothing important. It is. Okay, so right now, the last thing I was doing is I did graphics. So this is kind of a coders episode. So, well, not an episode. I'm not doing it. I try not to do episodes anymore. I would just like to stream. So let's go and let's see. Here's my here is my let's run cargo. Do I have a cargo watch? Do I have that installed? I do. I do have that installed. Okay, so let's do cargo watch, and we're gonna watch the HTML folder and watch. Let me zoom in a little bit more, and watch the source folder. So what this does, this command actually watches the source and then and when I make changes in any of the code in those, it watches the difference in there. So then it will recompile. So it's kind of a fast, and then I do X run, and yeah, there. So if I do nano, which is my code editor, I can do okay. So let's also do okay, so this is a command that I use. Okay, you're going to learn a little bit of Linux here. This is a command that I use called screen. So in Linux, this allows me to have multiple terminals inside of another terminal. I know it sounds weird, but with the control A and C, you can create a new window. So I currently have two windows in there. I don't want to, and then if you do screen dash S like this, screen dash S, then you'll get, I name this window seat. So if I do screen LS, for example, oh yeah, I have a Monero thing running on another screen here. Um, and so those are those three that I have. So if I want to reconnect to seeds, then I do that. Another command that I want to do is control A and then hash. You'll see the little colon down here. Then I'm gonna do multi user. No, not multi user. I want to do split, and then so what this will do, this will allow, and then I can do Alt A tab and Alt A N or Alt A. So now I can have my, okay, no, I want my code on the top actually, and then this will be, so let src, so you can see what I'm doing at the same time. So I'm going to do my main. So this is my code here for seed to the sower. This is the Rust code. Okay, as you can see, I don't have much. Let me zoom out a little bit. And also, I think it's resize 10. Nope. No. Control Shift resize 30. Oh no, resize 25. Nope, too small. Resize 20. There we go. So now you can see if I have any errors down here. Resize, no, Control A, resize 15. No, that's not enough. Control A, yeah. Resize 18. Let's put it right about there. Okay, so I'll have a good amount of code below. So here, I'm gonna put a comment in here. I'll put a comment in Rust. Comment. Okay, and then I'm going to save it, Control O, and then I'm going to write it. You'll see the cargo run, it's rebuilding, and boom. Okay, so let me open up a browser. Run SeaMonkey. This is another browser. Yeah, it's a funny name though. Okay, let me run SeaMonkey. And let me see if I can run, I think it's 57175 localhost. All right, so here's Seeds of the Sower. All right, you can hear the banjo music playing in the background. There's absolutely nothing there until I click on there. So I have to see there's some code cleanup I have to make. So let's go find the axe. I need to animate this, but right now I'm working on an animation studio. I think the axe is located at the 9. This is just to review the game really quick. Uh-oh. Whoa, the house is like off of the grid there. That's funny. I know, there's so much work I have to do on this, but let's look for that axe, huh? Tell me. Oh, there it is. There it is. I found it. Pick up item. See, if you look down at down here, you'll see that the axe is right there. I can go pick it up. Bing! It added to my inventory. Yay! It's right there. Nice. Okay, so the inventory pickup works, but the drop code doesn't work yet. So I want to drop it exactly in the location that I'm standing on. So anyway, so that's where I'm currently working on it. So hold on a second. I also see I work as a I have my day job that sometimes is interrupting, and I'm not ready to, this is before my work hours and stuff like that. So yeah, all right, so what am I going to do today? I think I will do some refactoring of the code. Not too much, but it's enough to, because my code is looking really bad right now. I'll show you where it looks really bad. Oh, yeah, this shows the coordinates here. This is the kind of like printed output, like where I click and, I picked up the axe. It shows the, all right, so this is the session code. This is the save session code. This is the game router. Okay, so what I think I need to do is, what I have been doing is I've been storing this memory map. So what this map is, this is called the map view array, and this stores like everything from the main data that I have from the database or whatever, and then it puts it in a small 9x9 grid, and that's what you see on the game is this 9x9 grid here. So basically these 81 squares are stored in are pulled from a much bigger data set. That's how I do the tiling of the. This is like the tiling code too. So I need to get a lot of this stuff out of there, and I need to put it, actually I need to put it above. So actually, because I'm going to use this code a lot. So actually, let's move. So if I click cell, no, I can't do that. No, what I need to do is I need to make, I can't escape, and this code here, this map view array needs to be outside of this code block. Map view array. I think I tried to do this before and I got tons of errors. Let me see if I can do it again. Hold on a second. No. Let's store. Yeah, I did some code thing that it was weird. You know, this one I don't need. I can get rid of this. And map array. This should be outside of the. Okay, this can be always outside of here. Okay, map array. Okay. And this click Y can also be up here. The important thing is we store it afterwards. We don't, we can comment this one out. All right. And now this code, that stays there. Let's see. Let peep. This can also. The most important thing, I think, is outside of the array. Because you're doing a lot of repetitious stuff here. Okay. Not pickup item, not drop item. Here. Yeah, because I don't want. I just want the click. I just want the action and then move out of there. Exactly. All right. All right. Let's see if it works. Cover run building. It's not erroring. You just need to move the important globals out. And I think we can make separate functions. Okay, so that worked. So what we can do is we can move a lot of the other stuff out of there too. So click cell seems to work good now. Uh-huh. So what happens if I do a new game? Is it gonna blow up on me? No, it actually loads. Sweet. Yes, that's exactly how I want it right now. Okay, so we refactored that part. I wanna have less code. Exactly. So, anyways, so what else is new in everyone's life? Let me check on some chats and stuff, see if anyone is jumping on board with this or anything like that. Uh, nope, I'm pretty boring. But anyway, you know, let's see. Nope, no one's saying anything. Okay. Anyway, it's worth a try anyways. So, um, going back to uh just checking some Christian memes on Discord and stuff. So, yeah. So, anyway, so what does everyone think of AI? Huh? Yeah, I've been actually doing a lot of cool little projects. You know, that would be actually a cool little thing I can show because I'm planning to use AI in this game in the future. So I'm planning on using it for the character interactions. It doesn't have to be deep. I just want the interactions to be able to work with the NPCs of the game. So I was talking about this with one of the game developers at the Christian Developer Conference in Los Angeles, and they told me that maybe use a state machine that actually uh that gives the player like two to four choices, two to five choices or something like that, and then use the I have a bad habit of rubbing my nose, I don't know why. And two to five choices that could be a state machine in a dialogue. So as you select one of the five choices, then it can go and start generating a web of interactions that can be built from a large language model. So I've been experimenting with different large language models from Hugging Face, you know, and Jazz Clown. Sorry, it's a family thing. So on Hugging Face, I downloaded the Wizard LLM 7B, and I get different results on different machines that I have. And on an i5, it gets about like 3 tokens per second. It's a little slow. So I think it would be a way to cache those interactions with the person. Maybe as you're coming up to a NPC, I can have it generate 5 separate subcategories, but I don't have to store them. It can just, but the interactions afterward can build a web of character conversations and stuff. So this is all new to me, and it's really interesting to use AI for that. So anyways, okay. So that's just my thought. Maybe in a future episode, maybe on a future stream, that I can do that. So let's see here. Now, I think I can ditch some of this old commented code out of here. I really, 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 really need to get rid of stuff. All right. Ran tree. Those are old code bases. That's an old code. Yeah, I got too many comments sitting around in here. All right, so let's go to the the drop item code. So item ID is important. Yes. None. That's it. The drop item? No, not the drop item. It needs to be the pickup item. That's where I have a lot of. Okay, so I already had the click. So this can go away. Um, this needs to still be set. Click X. No, no, no. I already have click X. I don't need to set that again. Why am I using RNG here? No, you can ditch RNG. There's no reason to have a random number generator in here. You can ditch this part. This is the match set. I can unclick that. The keep stuff is already set. Map view array. The important code is not here. Where is the pickup code? Here it is. This is the pickup code right here. So we already know. Okay, so you do need to have hold on a second, I'm just going through cell pass, click Y, click X. Yes, that needs to be set. So you can ditch peep map view array. Let me see if I do use this again a little bit further down. And boom. Okay, so it's not important because I'm setting it in the world map data. Yeah. I'm setting it right here and take it off the floor. Yes. Cell pass is not important. That's done later. All right. So we set the inventory and I clear the inventory. I'll leave that for now. It will be cleared out of there. Okay, this clears the inventory, so it should be pretty clear. Let's see if it'll run. Because I already had that, and then I can put a new function around, wrap around that piece there. Ready? So every time I rebuild the game, I need to I need to. All right. Okay, let's see. So game loaded. Let's just go one at a time until I find the axe. There it is. Pick up item. And boom. Nice. All right, so I refactored that. I'm trying to drop the amount of code that I have way down. So it would be nice to send in the, what values do I need to go into it? So I need, what needs to come out of here is the session data. Session data needs to be cloned, changed, and sent back out and stored. Got it. Because it's pretty much just visual data that's showing there. Exactly. Okay. So nice. This populates. So now drop item is small. Pickup item is small. And same with click. Okay, ditch this stuff. You don't need the calories. Ah. All right. Okay. So now, how much lines of code do we have? Not that it's important, but 281. My game is very tiny. All right. We can ditch. We can ditch this one and this one. I'm just looking at extraneous comments that I don't need to have in there. No. Bye bye. Comment pie. Drove my Ford to the levee, but the levee was full. Drinking my Canada Dry. Ginger ale, not whiskey and rye. This is not a show about drinking. This is a show about Christian coding. All right, let's see what else we have here. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna keep that as my code base for right now. I'm trying to compact it, and there are a couple errors here. It's overwritten before being read. I think it puts an underscore. I think this is where it does it in there. So right now, okay, so let's do this. This is a command that comes up and it does a fix. So I'm gonna run this instead of running the, hold on. So let's grab this comment here. What this will do is it will force cargo to fix the code. Yeah, I know. I'm relying on Rust to do it. All right, so let's rebuild with watch. Yeah, there's a couple of warnings, but it's not many. Let me see. There's one warning, two, three, four, five. Okay. All right, it's working. Let's run it again. Nice. So, yeah, that's pretty much the game so far. Still working on the drop code for that, so YouTube is giving me some weird error. The keyframe frequency is 4 seconds or less. Currently are not being sent often, which can cause buffering. Oh, okay. News to me, you know. This is all new to me here. All right. Facebook. Yeah, it's still good. I still have to get this figured out and stuff. So far it's working. I'm using FFmpeg to send all the code. So let's make a new graphic. So I'm gonna do all. See, that's what I love about the live stream. I can, oh, hold on. All right, so I have also in my code, not this code, another code base. I made another app. So this is why I'm starting Luminade Studios, because it's not just games I'm gonna design. I'm designing tools to build games. So I know there's a million tools out there. It's just that I wanted to see how they work. So you'll see here, these are all different apps that I have been building and stuff like that. Some are half implemented, some are just thoughts that I throw down the code, and then I'm like, oh, what am I gonna do here? Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, let's see. Um, let's see what I have going on here. Let me see. Hold on, I'm gonna try the DTube thing again. Ha! I know. I'm all over the map today. Not a very good starting stream, but it's okay. I have another screen here. I'm gonna try the DTube thing again. My computer's kind of going slow. I think I have too much stuff going on. Next time I will, let me try this live stream. Maybe, maybe it needs to be a watch. Maybe it needs to be a watch thingy. Could be that. Maybe. Hold on a minute. I'm testing something. Get shareable link. See, this is what I'm trying to do. So just so I'm not doing anything in the background here. Get shareable link. This is from the previous video. Let's see if I can drop it here, because this is the okay. So let's put this here and see if it'll work. Copy. Let me reload this to publish. These are all my streams: Twitch, Facebook, Rumble, YouTube, and I'm trying to get DTube to work. Yeah, you can see my browser's really slow. Firefox is just crawling. Yeah, trying to keep my machine working here. Okay, let's see if this will work. I don't think it will, but let's see. Oh my gosh, my live stream. I just have to grab that tag on the end. Sweet. So I am kind of live on YouTube, kind of. Let's make this, see that I can vote on myself. Yay. Do a million votes. This is definitely original content. And I'm going to put live vlog. Live stream vlog. Video duration, I don't know. It's still going. All right. Publish video. Let's go. See if it will take it. My goodness. Now let me check my channel. So professional. Ah, no videos by Wilchman. That's me. All right. Of course there's videos. Oh yeah, there's my live stream. So if I clicked on it, I would see me doing me right now, I think. I don't know, would this work? Well, it's definitely my current so DTube is a wrapper for YouTube and other video platforms, and it will right now I'm just wrapping because YouTube works the best inside of DTube. So all right. Oh, there's an old picture of me there. That was 2 years ago. That's how long I've been on DTube. Over 2 years. I'm an admin on there, by the way. So let's see. It's spinning. It's probably gonna kill my computer because I'm doing way too much right now. I think I need to put the live stream on a different server. Exactly. Oh, there I am. Am I even loud enough? Let's see how it sounds. I'm doing way too much right now. Right. I think I need to put the live stream on a different server. I just said that. Exactly. Okay. Hold on a second. So anyways, yeah. So I'm going to be making not be making, but there's an app that I've been designing for like the last 2 years, I know. And I'm also going to be promoting this as part of a suite of game design apps. Very simple, nothing fancy. So it's called Pixel Maker Studio, and it's written in Rust too. It was originally Python, but I switched it over to Rust. I like Rust because it's compiled very fast, asynchronous, um, memory safe. I don't know, just so many things in Rust, and it kind of railroads you into programming its way, but it's for good. I mean, it was a lot of, it's a hard language to learn, but it's actually not too bad. So this is my other app that I've been designing. So let me run this one, cargo run. So this one, I think, okay, so I have to build it, but it won't take too long to build. And of course, I got a lot of errors in there too. So this is Pixel Maker Studio. Let me run it. It'll take a second. I'm not changing the code on there because I pretty much got a basic app working on there. See, my definition of app is not the same as what you see on a phone or something. Mine are web apps, but they all run on a server and they load a page. So hold on a second. Let's see if this will compile. This is running on a slower SSD on a USB drive. So bear with me here. All right, so it compiled. All right, so I'm going to open up a new page in here. Uh-huh. And I'm going to go 3838. Okay, so this is one. Did I build here? Your connections. Oh, I forgot that I use a SSL. I had been using an old, yeah, I understand. Add exception. It's a local host cert. I'm trying to build it as a full, what in the world? No, 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 no. I forgot it doesn't. Let me open up another browser. Yeah, I'm already low on RAM. 18 gigs of RAM on this guy. All right. Oh, yeah, I can open this one too. Nope, that's it. So I just recovered this one. Restore that. Yes, yes. All right. So what was I making here? Some kind of robot? Alrighty. So this is basically the app. It's a pixel app. Yeah, pixel maker. I mean, it's pretty basic. Create, and then this is the new button. This is the move menu. No, 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 no. This is the move menu. This is the zoom menu. This is the pencil menu. This is like the palette. So what this is over here is a brush, is a custom brush. I never really explained what this app does. I just used it so much. So let me click on new. It opens a new tab, and then you get a basic canvas. Okay, so what you can do is you can click on it. It immediately is in draw mode, black pixels. So what you can do is, like, if you want to make a specific brush, say I wanted to make like I don't know, like 5 points like this, and this is the dead center. So wherever you click, and you click here, it'll make a pattern like this. So this is your pattern brush. I have a lot more on my ad list I want to put on there and everything like that. But yeah, so like if I wanted to make a pattern, I can go like this, and go like this. See, just simple things like that. Okay, so when I start clicking on the canvas here, it starts filling in this. This is the mini map. This allows me to move elsewhere on here. So basically, this is not really pixels. These are SVG files. So if I want to save, okay, so this is the draw menu. If I want to erase something, I can go like this. And if I wanted to erase these 5 pixels, it will use the same exact brush and it will erase those 5 pixels out of there. And so it does the reverse of this, and it just boom, deletes them out of there. So I'll leave it on there. Okay, so this is the move menu. So if I want to move this, so I can move a mini map also by clicking the center. So if I click here, the mini map will move uh, down that way. So see, you see this the green square here. This is my current canvas location on the mini map. And if I want to slide all the pixels, so if I don't want all my pixels to be stuck in the corner there, I can shift them down here. So now my pixels have moved over here. So, but the one thing that does with the shift, you have to remember to go click on pencil again. Otherwise, you'll be, where did all my pixels go? All right, so this is a UI zoom menu. So this allows me to zoom in and zoom out. So this basically just does a zoom on all of the objects in the UI. So if, like especially on mobile, it gets all janky and yanky. So this is very useful. I might just put an up down button on there. So and this is your download. This is your download menu. So you can download as a PNG, SVG, a GIF, JPEG, or you can download the actual JSON objects. So most of the time you will use the SVG. So you can click on that and there's my SVG object. And for PNG, GIF, and JPEG, it will open it up in another, and you have to right click and download that object because you can actually, but this one is the actual object. So it opens in another window just fine. I don't know. I have to figure. See, there's a lot of janky things that I had to get this work. And the JSON. If I do this one, it will give you the JSON output. This is the actual object. This is what it. This is the data that I actually use to make. And you can use this. You can. This is a way to save your file. And I'm gonna have an import file working eventually. So, but this is your file here. All right, so yeah, this is my app, and it allows me to draw. Oh, see, I didn't click on pencil. So anyway, so I can click on new and start drawing with it. It's one click and one action, but see, that's why I have like I can make simple pixels like this. La 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 la. Uh, Click too fast, you end up dragging on there. It's a drag. Make a simple face, I guess. Yay. There. Simple face. I didn't even draw it centered. But anyway, and then I can view it in its SVG file. And then I can use that in GIMP. I can download it and use it natively in another app. So this is one app. I'm also planning on building an animation app that will use these files from this, and you can export it over there and then start animating them. So you build the image and then you can start animating it. So I guess that's all I have for today. I mean, yeah, I had been streaming for a good hour. I could do a little bit more, but yeah. So this is Matthew, and I hope everyone has a blessed day. This has been a fun smiley episode, my first episode for Luminade Studios. Stay illuminated, everyone out there. Haha. And this is Matthew Wilgeman76. Follow my other channels if you wanna, and have a great day. All right, everyone, have a great one. Bye.